Alright guys, I have another challenge lock for you. This is a Sergeant. Beautiful key, just look at that. This is number 10, made by Rookie Lock. Never had a Rookie Lock before, so I was excited to try it out, and I wasn't disappointed. This lock was awesome. Alright, pry bar in 50 thousandths, and short hook from the practice kit in 23 thousandths, because if it works, why not keep using it? Alright. I think Sergeant challenge locks are always pretty fun, because a Sergeant just on its own from the factory will put up a little bit of a fight. So when you combine it with homemade security pins and nastiness like that, it gets really fun. Cage dropped into a slight false set, you can see that. Let's see, not one, don't think two, a little on three. Okay, go back through. It's got a little click and slightly deeper false set. I got a few clicks, but I don't think it felt right. Okay, I got my false set again. Some crunching. That's all for that one. Okay. Back to the front. Some counter on 2. There we go. Set that. I think on 1. I'm gonna try it. Whoop. The problem with the short hook is when you're trying to set number 1 behind the pry bar, it's a little tricky. I don't know if I said that or not. I'm gonna let off 1 click. Alright. Keep looking. I don't think that was one we wanted. I'm sure you can hear all the crunching and the clicking in this lock. Let's see, where are we? Oop. Just lost my false set. I think I overset that. Let's see if I can quickly get it back. Nope. Okay, let off a click. Need to be more careful with these locks. Where are you? Especially with a key like that, you can easily overset things, so need to be careful. There we go. Alright, got my false set again. Let's check number 1. Oh. It's giving me counter, but I don't think it's the right one because I lose my false set. Okay, there we go. I guess before I hadn't lifted it high enough. If you're not a subscriber to Rookie Locks channel. You should definitely go check him out. Like with any challenge lock that I do, I'll include a link in the description. Hands in the way. Sorry about that, guys. Not making much progress. I'm going to reset. We're going to try once more. Alright, click. Another click. Dropped into a false set. I don't think I set that one. There we go. There we go. Okay. I got a good click, but I lost my false set, so I was worried that wasn't the right one. Whoop. What are we at? 6.5 minutes. Alright, hopefully I can open it soon. Alright, you guys. Number 1 again. Nothing. Not getting any more feedback. You can see that I haven't lost my false set. Oh, there we go. All right. I guess it was number 2, I think it was. All right. Make sure to keep it in frame. I'm gonna lock it up. There we go. See, this is the right size, and it is. Nice. Always makes it easier. Put that there. Spring. Oh, should grab a shim. I should have learned my lesson with using these. My last video at the Bronx lock picker 60 lock where I fast forwarded through most of it, but the problem was I just wasn't using a shim. So that's why I had to fast forward. That's why it was struggling and fighting me. There we go. All the way through. Grab our follower. Nice and easy. Beautiful. Always glad when that happens like it should. Alright, see what we have here. Already see some of the fun surprises. Number 1, serrated. Get that out of this, see more. Number 2, standard. 3 is beveled. 4, standard. 5 has 3 serrations. 6 has 3 serrations as well. Okay. And then in the core, we have nothing in 1, countermilling in 2, 4, 5, and 6, nothing in 3. Set that there. Let's see what we have. Look at number 6 first. Whoa. He was little. I swear he came out that way, but I'm assuming that's wrong, because with this long key pin, the serration never would have affected it. So I'm going to place it how I think it should be. I'll watch the video and make sure that's how it was, but otherwise the serrations wouldn't come into play. A few more serrations in number 5. Number 6 is a serrated spool. I guess I'll grab out the springs while I'm here. Number 6 is brass. Number 7 is copper. I said 7? I meant 5. Number 4 is also copper. Looking in the front, another beautiful serrated spool with a brass spring. Ooh, that is beautiful. See if I can grip that to show you guys. Look at that beauty. So it's got a slightly narrower lip, a very, very fine lip. Then almost like a serration. And a nice, very thin spool. That's a beauty. Spring is a copper spring. Yeah. Copper. And last we have number 3, which is serrated. Another copper spring. Alright, looking in the core, I don't see anything. Let me grab a light just to make sure. I said the core, that's not what I meant. Bible is the same. Alright. Close up. So, the key pins were fairly normal. Got 2 serrations in 1, nothing done to 2. 3 was beveled. In fact, this may be the one that I was hung up on at the end. I wasn't sure if it was number 2 or number 3. Probably just had to nudge that a little bit more. Nothing done in number 5, number 6, or sorry, nothing done in number 4. Number 5 has 3 beautiful serrations. Same with 6. Really nice work. Rookie lock, these are awesome. And then we have these, focus, beautiful serrated spools in 1 and 4. Number 2 I already showed you. Let's get another, another look at this beauty. That is awesome. That is an awesome homemade security pin. That is beautiful. 3 and 5 are just these little serrations with 2 serrations on them. 5 and 6 actually. Oh, sorry. And I grabbed the spring. Looking at the springs, I think they're actually all the same but one. And now that I'm looking at them closer, I believe they're just all copper, but this one's brass. I could be wrong about that though. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. It was less disastrous than my last one. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below.